What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Midwest Rebuilds video. Today we have the 2018 Subaru WRX, and I think today is the day that we are finally going to get it on the frame machine. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe, and also comment down below. Let us know what you think about this build. So let's get right into it. I got it up on the frame machine. Now what I gotta do next, before I do anything, is take off the front bumper, hood, fender, and the side skirt as well. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, as you just saw, I just got the headlight off, and it looked pretty good when it was still on the car, but as I took it off, you can see there are a couple tabs that are broken, one right here, as well as one right here. But otherwise, it's a good headlight, it's all in working condition, but I do have two replacement headlights, so I'll just put both of those on instead of this one, and maybe sell this one or just save it for maybe another build. So let's get back into taking off some parts. Alright guys, so actually before I can take the fender off, I'm going to need to take this side skirt off because there are a couple bolts hiding right in under the side skirt. So I'll take those off and then I'll be able to take the fender completely off. So let's do that, and then I should be able to put it up on these things right here, get it all secured and have it ready to get some framework done. So let's get right into it. just like that, got the fender off, hood off, bumper off, side skirt off, looking all good. So I'm not going to be throwing this fender away yet because there's some good parts on it here. Bumper bracket right here, that one's still good, and I believe there's still a couple more things right here. Something I'm going to need, these things right there, and honestly, I'm just not going to take any chances. Keep this until I have my other fender completely on. And yeah, so we'll put this away for now, and we will start putting the stands on the car so that it can be secured and get ready to get the frame done. Alright, so as you can see, I got the car on the frame stands. Next thing to do is grab the frame puller and start hooking on some hooks to this frame and start pulling and making it look straight again. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to leave the framework for tomorrow, but in the meantime I'm going to start working on a little bit of smaller things. I'm going to start with putting the seat cover back on the seat, and if we actually take a closer look at this, got it all sewn up, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It looks great. It looks like nothing even happened, and it looks really good. So I'll put this back on, and after I get this back on, I'm going to go look at the front driver door. If you guys remember from the first episode, I wasn't able to open it from the inside, so I'm gonna take apart the door panel, see what's wrong with it. Hopefully I can figure it out, and then hopefully I'll be able to get the door to work from the inside, because I don't want to get locked in the car again. So we'll do that. For the door panel, this actually works out pretty well for me because the previous owner, it looks like he took out all the bolts. So by the looks of it, all I need to do is just pull it off, because there should be some clips holding the door panel onto the actual door, and it should just come right off. So let's try that. Yep, just like I thought. Alright, so also like I thought, get a better view of this. Right here, this cable thing, it was not connected to here, which is the door handle, which actually opens up the door. So I'll go ahead and connect that, and then should be good. So let's do that. Alright, it is the next day now. As you saw yesterday, I was able to put the seat cover onto the seat, as well as take apart the door handle or the door panel and have the door be able to open from the inside. Today, I was thinking about doing the frame, and I still might do that today, but before I do that, I want to go in the interior of the car and take the roof liner out and change out the airbags while I still have time and while it's inside and not outside. So I'm gonna do that, and then if I have the chance, I might start doing frame after that. So we'll see what happens, so let's get right into it. But to start off, taking off the roof liner, what you want to do is take off basically all the things that could be holding the roof liner up. So you want to take off the sun visors, this light, both sun visors. Let's see if I can zoom in. You want to take off all the handles, the old crap handles, and as well as that, there are like two kind of, I don't know exactly what you would call them. Let's see if we can see them back here. They're kind of like clips, but not really. You can't really see them, but they're right here, and I guess yeah, you can call it clips, and they just folded the whole roof liner up to the roof of the car. And then you want to take off that light too, and as well as the rear handles, and it should just pop right off. And then I'll be able to take off the airbag. Okay, so we got the roof airbags in the car, and I think that is gonna wrap it up for this video. So stay tuned for next week, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Midwest Rebuilds. We'll catch you guys next week.